Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making chicken vegetable sauce. Yes. So first of all, let's start from our veggies and other things I'll be using for this recipe. So here is my mushroom already sliced, and here is my sweet corn. Here is my detached chicken, and here is my chicken pesto. So here is my red kidney, I cooked it myself. So here is my chopped onions, my table salt and seasoning cubes. So here is my blended pepper, and this is my carrots, my green beans, green pepper, spring onions, and my cabbage. I like adding cabbage to this, so it's optional. So I'm going to be using this vegetable oil for the recipe. So I'm also going to be using ginger, garlic. This is my sweet corn. Please guys, you can also add garlic, so it's very nice, though I didn't add it in this recipe. So first of all, I heat my pot dry, make sure it's dry, then added oil, heat for 30 seconds, then and now pour in my detached chicken. I'm frying it, so you will fry. After frying, you just have to set it aside. Okay, so this is it. So I'm also going to be frying the some of my chicken, like the big sized one. So I just want to fry it for, I don't want to fry it much, a bit frying. So that is my, I just like it that way. I'll fry and set aside. You can choose to put it like that, you can choose to detach all and fry them, it's your choice. So I just like to fry some and a bit fry some. So I will use the same oil. Now pour my onion, then stir for some seconds, then I'll add my spring onions. My spring onions is very small, I couldn't get much from the market, so I'm just going to use it like that. So here is my mushroom, so I just add my mushroom, then stir. So if you're new, you are welcome. Then next is my pepper, the blended pepper. Just have to add it and stir too. So here is my carrots. So I'll stir for some seconds. Yeah, I didn't time it, but it's just 30 seconds. If you really want your veggies to still look crunchy. So I also added my red kidney. The red kidney, I prepared it myself. So, and my green beans, then spring onions, the green part of it, and also the green, my chopped green pepper. So I also added the sweet corn, then stir for another 30 seconds, then add your spices depending on the choice of spices you want. I use Benny, yeah, and no seasoning cubes. So at this time you just have to add all your spices, but for your ginger and garlic, I would advise you fry it when you added your pepper. So I just added the detached meat I fried, then my cabbage, and stir for some seconds, not up to 30 seconds please, if you want your veggies crunchy. So I want it crunchy. So you just have to stir and place with low heat, then just have to add the chicken. I already fried, a bit fried. So then this is my secret, I boiled my stock, like the chicken stock. Yes, I boiled it so that when I add my corn flour, it just thickened. So it needs to get done right. So after adding the water from the chicken, then I mix my corn flour. Sorry guys, I didn't show the clip where I mixed it, but I mixed it with cold water. So just have to add it and check for the thickening, because it serves as a thickener to this sauce. So you can see how you just get chicken. This is because the water is already very hot, so I don't need to boil it because I want my veggies crunchy. I just have to boil it separately and then add it to it. So here is the final look. I fried some plantain, like I am a big fan of plantain. So, and here is it, and we are done. Thank you for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed, just hit the notification button and subscribe. See you guys. Bye. Love you.